Hey, it's Brandy with Loving Living Green. We're here today at the Knoxville, Tennessee Supercharger. Let's see what's around while we charge. The Supercharger is located at the Turkey Creek Pavilion. There are 8 Superchargers here. If you're looking for some food while you charge, there is a Chick-fil-A, a Starbucks, an O'Charlie's, and if you come on down closer to the Supercharger, you will find a Blaze Pizza and a Five Guys. In the shopping center, you will find a Target, an Old Navy, DSW, Five Below, Office Max, and a Walmart. Inside Walmart, there is a Subway. If you would like to stretch your legs a little bit, there is a McAllister's Deli and a Menchie's down past Chick-fil-A. If you would like to see what's around other Superchargers, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, and we'll see you on the road.